down. It went nose first in the ground. I honestly should have died because I was 20 feet away. If I had left the house any later, I would have been dead.
So yeah, scary day for that guy, 20 feet away from this plane crash, December 21st, 2021. This Cessna hit a paraglider, and both of them deceased. You can see there's not even much left of the aircraft. Firefighters probably already have left the scene, seeing that there's no fire, and it's just a body recovery. But it was this Cessna Grand Caravan here. Again, one pilot, one paraglider. And the pilot left from this George Bush Intercontinental Airport in Houston. And then this is where the 3 different kind of sites were. Thank you, K Houston 11 News, for this picture. So the plane was here. I'm guessing this victim was the paraglider, and then the wind took the parachute here where they found it. But again, very sad day. Many questions to be answered. Please subscribe if you like this content. And then this is the parachute scene here where they found it. And then again, here's the site of the plane crash. And the parachute and the crash were about 3 miles apart. So all you pilots, I wanted to ask, how can these things be prevented? Is there a certain altitude that planes need to be at? Or was the paraglider in the wrong place at the wrong time? Was it the pilot's fault for not seeing the paraglider? There's even drones now flying in the air. So who owns the airspace? Who has the right of way? If you have these answers, you can comment below. If not, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.